What's going on, guys? It's the Revive King. We're back in the lab, and I'm here with another tip on how not to commit shoeicide. How to actually evolve the way you maintain your kicks using NuShoe elements. Today we have a pair of Macklemore 6s. If you guys know your kicks, you know these sneakers are priceless. StockX has the Cactus pair at over 20 grand. This pair doesn't even have a price, but real quick, that's the beauty in understanding how to protect your investments, because you can make sure that you retain the value of your sneakers as well as the freshness. So real quick, I'm going to use this 4-way Crepe brush, and we're going to target this toe tip area or this toe cap area right here, and we're going to try to remove this dirt off the suede while the suede is dry. Okay. Real quick, this 4-way Crepe brush right here has 4 sides. It's a rubber side, another rubber side here for different smaller areas, and then you also have this flat rubber end here. We're gonna name these sides later. There's no actual names to this, but this here is the brass side. This is like an emergency tool. You really do not need this unless your suede is really crunchy, is really hard and stiff, or you got something that's really deeply embedded into the suede. We're gonna begin with our softer side, our softer tools first, and work our way up to the stiffer tools. But here, real quick, suede is best clean dry. So we wanna use the 4-way Crepe brush to begin the pre-treat process. And as you can already see, you can see the 4-way Crepe brush is getting underneath the suede fibers and actually picking up that dirt that you do see on the suede. Now, we haven't cleaned these. Typically when we clean sneakers, we will clean the shoes from the bottom soles first. But this is just a quick tip to help you guys more so conceptualize how you can better maintain your suede using Just Suede and the tools. But this Crepe brush right here is getting underneath the suede fibers, and you can see it picking up dirt right before your eyes. It's even restoring just the softness of the suede and also bringing back the natural color of the suede. And we haven't even wet the suede. Now look, let's say for instance, the dirt may not be removed right away. The dirt may be a little bit stubborn, but you really want to take your time and be patient with the actual suede material, because you don't really want to stress it. You don't want to go right into the solution or dunk it in a bucket of water thinking that's the way to remove it, guys. That is the way to commit shoeicide. All right, guys, so be patient with the process. As you can see, dirt is actually coming off right before your eyes. You ever got a stain on your shirt and it was hard and it dried up and you basically just flicked it off of your shirt and then you realize that it left a little stain behind? That is where the Just Suede solution will come into play. It's going to help you remove the residue from the actual dirt or soil that's on the suede. Just check it out. You can see we got that suede action. It's still there, and we also removed a lot of that dirt. Let's see here. Let me target that more specifically right there. And the reason why, another reason why we clean shoes from the bottom soles up is because this toe tip right here is actually dirty. So that microscopic dirt is also transferring to the uppers of your suede. You want to clean that off first so that you can clean the sneaker and not mix the dirt, you know what I mean, or not spread the dirt all around. Now you can see some of that dirt has been removed, right? But not all of it. This is where we're going to move to our dual-sided eraser. This has been used. You can see the color is similar, so the color transfer, it really doesn't matter because same color, right? Now we're going to use our gum side first, because this is a soft, flat, delicate, authentic nubuck material. We're going to use the softer flat edge first to condition that dirt out of the suede. We really want to be able to get that dirt out without actually stressing the suede. Now I can see some of that dirt being picked up, some of that dirt being removed, right? You see that? All of it isn't removed. Then we're going to take our gradient side. This is more textured. This will get a little bit deeper into the suede fiber. Press that over the top. This may make the suede a little bit white or a little bit light, but that's the natural nature of suede. And the beauty about this whole process is that you have Just Suede, which is going to remove the residue and also restore the color. So don't worry, guys. Don't be afraid to wear your kicks. Just know you have NuShoe elements to protect your investment and to also just bring life back to your kicks. So rock your shoes, man. Don't leave them all in the closet, lonely, unattended to. Shoes were made to be worn. So wear them with confidence, knowing that they can be clean if they do get dirty. Is that dirt gone? Is that dirt gone? I believe it is. And real quick, that is how you can remove dirt from your suede using the dual-sided eraser and the 4-way crepe brush. And you got the hog hair brush to remove some debris. But check that out. There you go. There you go. And now what I would do to continue or to finish off this cleaning is I would lightly apply Just Suede all around the sneaker, or maybe even a little bit of mink oil around the sneaker to just hydrate the suede and bring some color back to it. All right. Stay tuned for more tips on how to protect your investment. Follow us on YouTube at In the Lab with NuLife Kicks for more detailed demonstrations on how to properly maintain your kicks. Appreciate you guys. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.